Therefore, we can say the most important thing that parents can do for their children who are stuttering, who are experiencing bullying, is to provide that support and acceptance. Remember, it's not the child's fault that he stutters, so the parents shouldn't treat him as if he's done something wrong. They can offer praise and encouragement for all aspects of managing stuttering. His acceptance, speaking freely even when he's stuttering, entering situations that he might have found it difficult to enter before, managing tension, saying what he wants to say regardless of whether or not he's fluent, and for our purposes in this course specifically, facing up to, withstanding, resisting that bullying. Often the parents might have a more aggressive response than we would want them to do, telling them to teach the bully a lesson. That may feel satisfying for the parent, and in truth, the child may want to do that as well, but this puts the child who stutters in a very difficult position. So I would encourage the parents to try to provide support for helping the child face bullying in an appropriate way. Physical responses to bullying are not tolerated in schools, and SLPs cannot and should not be seen as encouraging this. We can't encourage it ourselves, and we can't encourage it through the parents. And if we hear that parents are encouraging the child to engage in a physical response, we need to directly address that by letting them know we can't do that. That's not appropriate, and it's not going to help. Because it's going to create more emotionality in that situation, and the more emotional the situation is, the more likely the child is to stutter more severely. So instead, they can reinforce for the child that it's okay to stutter, that it's okay to talk to the bully, that they don't have to just ignore it or pretend that it's not happening or just hope that it's going to go away. They can acknowledge stuttering openly. They can acknowledge the bullying openly and use some of the responses that we talked about in the previous chapter as a way of minimizing further bullying, responding openly, responding in a matter-of-fact way, and helping the child know that he's got the support of his family behind him. Because the more the parents can understand and accept their child stuttering, the more they'll be able to support the child in developing healthier attitudes of their own. These healthier attitudes are crucial for giving the child that foundation of self-esteem and self-acceptance that he's going to need in order to overcome the problem of bullying.